All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Elijah Woods here. So we have a song from him called "We Should Stick Together," and yeah, couldn't much then agree with him. You and I, we should stick together. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and we are like glued. Let's go into this one, and we have chord progression here that goes in the same way through the entire song. We have 3 chords, and we have 3 pretty easy chords with a capo on the 2nd fret. That is the setup for this tutorial. Let's put that on there and go over the chords. So we're gonna start with the F, that's a bar chord, and you play the index finger on the 1st fret and cover all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd fret on the A string, 3rd fret on D string, and 2nd fret on the G. Next chord is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G. And that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so I mentioned we have 1 chord progression through the entire song. I'm going to take you through 1 round now first and then explain chord by chord how you handle it. So let's go. Alright, so that is what you're going to play. You have the F first, alright? And here I can actually show you the F major 7. That will be an easier choice if you have hard time to do the transition from F to A minor. It could be a little bit tricky there, so I'm gonna give you the F major later. Just now I'm gonna explain how to handle the F chord. So you have the F now, and you're gonna play down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So down, up, clap, clap. Okay, so down, up, clap, clap. The F major, it's not a bar chord, it's easier, and it could work for the song actually. So you're gonna handle it with 3rd fret on D string, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. In that way, you have a better, perhaps easier setup for the next chord, which is A minor. Just a short recuperation here with the ring and mid finger, this position. All right, so anyway, we are now in the A minor area. What you're gonna do here is to play just 2 downs. And then you need to shift quickly to G. So A minor is just 2 downs. And then you go to G and play down. And then a short pause, and then down, up, clap, up. That's the end of G and this chord progression. All right, so that is 1 round. Again, you can go with the full chord F. I do it. I think that gives you a better kind of depth to it when you play this song. You have the bass string included there. So you can start with the F major if that feels better for you, and then move up to the F full chord if you want to. 1 round with the F major will sound like this. Actually 2 rounds there, all right? And with the full chord. All right, so there you have it. We should stick together with Elijah Woods. All right, I hope to see you soon, guys, and until next time, play tuned.